First, let's start from scratch. Import your video and drag it into the timeline. Select your video, then click the Video tab and select AI Tools. Enable Smart Cutout. Then select Click to start Smart Cutout. Click and drag around the objects you want to keep. Select Advanced Mode. Then click the Track Forward button. Wait until finished. This will remove the background from the video clip. Click Save. To replace the removed background with other media, import it and drop it on the track below your video. All done. Please subscribe